Hey guys, welcome to the Commission Gorilla version 3 review. I'm going to take you step by step on the review of this software so you could have a good understanding of what this software is about and why you should likely purchase this software for your business. So you can see if you're still struggling with your affiliate promotions, then here is how you can double, triple, and even quadruple, heck, even 5 times your affiliate earnings before dinner tonight. So the Commission Gorilla is set to help you with your affiliate marketing campaigns to make more money from affiliate marketing by helping you create landing lead magnets that convert, and lead magnets, as like simple landing pages, where your visitors land and are propelled to take further actions. So with Commission Gorilla, it's compounding your commissions from affiliate marketing. So if you're an affiliate marketer, digital marketer, someone in the web space, who is seeking to convert more clients, due to some very good sales pages and lead magnets, then Commission Gorilla is where you should be. You can see it's 100% newbie friendly, newbie proof, incredibly easy to use. It's 100% free page hosting, so you don't have to host anything, and it makes more work with less effort and no installing, since it's a SaaS, a cloud-based software. All right. So you see, with this software, you could easily boost your commissions up to 5 times more while cutting down on the workloads, to shred all of that. So I have included a link below this video that is going to take you to this sales page. From here, you could make the purchase. If you make the purchase with my link, as usual, I will make very nice bonuses available for you. You can see all of these bonuses come with their download link, so you could use the download link, to get the bonuses. You see, all of them, so many bonuses here for you. So many. I always give a whole lot of bonuses to my subscribers and people who purchase through my link. So I have a whole lot of bonuses here for you. This is an example. This is an example of one of my bonuses for you. I just clicked in. So once you make the purchase, you automatically be redirected to the bonus link, and you can see here download. So all you have to do is just come here and then standard download, and then you have the bonuses. All right. So Commission Gorilla is set to increase your commissions as an affiliate marketer, by helping you, get those amazing lead magnets, set up within a minute, within seconds, so you can immediately get to work. Here's an example. Okay, you can see how lovely this lead magnet, this lead magnet page looks like. You can see made with Commission Gorilla. It's very simple and very amazing. You can see demo showing how to use Commission Gorilla to promote your own service in addition to affiliate offers. So you can also use this to promote your own service actually. Not only affiliate offers, you can also promote, for example, if you're in the fitness niche, you could use this as simple as this. Change a few things. You could just change power zone to your own business name, and change, customize one or two things here, and then you are done. So it's as simple as that, because everything is hosted on the cloud. You can see this is another example, which I'm clicking it. This is another example. These are other examples. So as you can see, this is so amazing. So all you have to do is just come here, change up some text, to match what you want. Every order now, these ones might still be the same, since we all want them to, make a purchase. So you could now change this, have your links here, change it, have your links here, or just change everything here totally if you want. But everything is already set up for you, so it's like a plug and play landing page for you to just proceed with. You can see all of these are very important if you want to promote on Amazon. This page is perfect for someone who is selling on Amazon. So if you're an affiliate on Amazon, perfect. You just come here and then choose from a wide range of landing lead magnet pages, which this Commission Gorilla has already set up, and then immediately get to work. All right. So instead of taking the time to build these pages from scratch and getting domains and all of that, getting all these images, and which are very very kind of taxful, with Commission Gorilla, you get this done in seconds. You can see it didn't take me up to 2 seconds to get this particular page. And if I want to change all of these, all I have to do is just log into my Commission Gorilla page, section, and then make the edits to what I want. Once again, the link to get Commission Gorilla is down below the video. And once you get the product, you are entitled to all of these softwares which I earlier showed you, and you can just go and download them to your laptop and enjoy. All right. So these are some of the great testimonies you can see. John Tohio, Eric Hall, Holland, they all say it's proven to work over and over again, makes a difference. Where a lot of marketers are promoting the same thing, such as products, So this software helps you to stand out your landing page, not something common, which every marketer is using out there. It just gives you some spice up your promotions. See increase conversions and make more money. Commission Gorilla rocks, all right? The Kiwani Best Marketing Product of the Year. And I know every marketer needs it. Of course, I totally agree with the Matt Cullen. Every marketer needs this, to run their business. So we're going to basically bribe you into affiliate marketing success. So who doesn't want to be bribed into success? Personally, I want to be bribed into success. So I know you also want to be. So this software is a giveaway. I think it's at how much? It's at $67. I don't know. It's at a giveaway price. It's not nothing too complex. So do yourself the opportunity, all right, to jump into it and make good use of this software. You can see there are already 10 done for you bonuses, proven advice for beginners, your content marketing guide, the chatbot revolution, SEO and ranking, tracking taxes, content, effective content marketing, and all of that. These are great bonuses for you. So 10 bonuses here plus $12,000 worth of bonuses on this other page. Man, so much bonuses for you once you purchase this product using my link below. You can also see this is another demo page. You can see it's already created, very neat and very lovely. So all you have to do is just change the link and then have your own links, right? So that is the importance of using Commission Gorilla. It helps to set those affiliates and marketing pages up within seconds. You could use it to promote your own offers. You could also use it to promote affiliate offers. So it's good for freelancers, affiliate marketers, businessmen and women, small business, big business owners, generally for everyone, because we all want traffic to convert on our lead pages and then bring us sales. So Commission Gorilla is the software to get, all of that done. I think this is the version 3. So Commission Gorilla version 3. All right. Thank you for watching this video to this point. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel so I continue to drop updates anytime I have new updates ready, so you do not miss out on any of them. I look forward to your messages. Send me a message through the email. Send me a comment. Leave a comment for me. Tell me how wonderful this software is. Tell me if you love the software, or if you don't. Tell me whatever problem you have, questions. I will be happy to assist you. Answer them and help you get back and get your business to the top levels. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.